Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where the road meets the future. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a model that continues to evolve as one of the most beloved crossovers on the planet. Whether you're a longtime RAV4 fan or just exploring your next ride, this is one you'll want to hear about. Toyota has always played it smart with the RAV4, balancing reliability, performance, and efficiency, and the 2026 model is no exception. But this year, they've added a fresh dose of modern flair from the outside. The RAV4 now carries a sleeker, more refined look. Toyota has updated its front grille, reshaped the LED headlights for a more aggressive edge, and added new aerodynamic lines that boost efficiency while giving it a sportier attitude. The rear end features slimmer taillights and a bolder bumper design, which makes the whole profile feel more upscale than ever. Under the hood, Toyota continues to offer multiple powertrain options. The standard gas engine gets some tweaks for better fuel economy and smoother delivery, but the real stars of the show are the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The RAV4 Hybrid now pushes out slightly more horsepower, with even better MPG figures, while the RAV4 Premia, the plug-in version, has a longer all-electric range, making it an even better option for those looking to ditch the gas station. Toyota's commitment to electrification really shows here. Inside, the cabin gets a noticeable upgrade. Toyota finally gives us a larger standard touchscreen and now up to 12.3 inches in higher trims, with an updated infotainment system that's quicker, more responsive, and features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across the board. Materials feel more premium, especially in the XLE and Limited trims, where soft touch surfaces and ambient lighting add a touch of luxury. Toyota has also improved interior noise insulation, making highway cruising quieter than ever before. The seating remains comfortable and supportive, with available ventilated front seats and heated rear seats in top trims. Cargo space is still one of the best in its class, and the split folding rear seats make it easy to load everything from bikes to weekend gear. Tech and safety are another big focus. The 2026 RAV4 includes the latest version of Toyota's Safety Sense, with improved adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new driver attention monitoring system. There's also a 360-degree camera, traffic sign recognition, and an available digital rear-view mirror, features that push the RAV4 closer to a luxury feel without the luxury price. In short, Toyota didn't reinvent the RAV4, they refined it. Smarter tech, sharper styling, and better efficiency make the 2026 RAV4 one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market. Whether you're commuting, adventuring, or just cruising through life, this RAV4 has your back. That's all for today on Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a ride with us. Until next time, drive safe and stay legendary.